I'm Fish, an industrial designer and co-founder of Taimon. Over the past 7 years, we have designed a lot of unique coffee equipment. Now we are developing an ultimate hand grinder. We are sure it will be the dream grinder for coffee love. We proudly present Chestnut X. There are already so many excellent hand grinders. If we want to do better, we can only start from the core, the most important part, burrs. We made 3D modeling in computer where we addressed the parameters after analyzing the grinding state and referring to the experience of champion baristas. We came up with an idea. The grinding process involves cutting and squeezing. If we reinforce the cutting factor and reduce the squeezing factor, this will reduce fines more effectively and cut beans into the desired particle size. We came up with the S2C structure, which means spike to cut. It spikes the beans into large particles and cut them into pieces. Then we processed the samples and analyzed the particle distribution. We addressed tens of versions to optimize the burrs. Now we are pleased to get competitive data. Based on S2C principle, silver skin won't get ground directly. They will fall down in large sheets so you can sieve them easily. It helps reduce the bitterness and get a cleaner cup of coffee. The burrs will be made from 440 stainless steel, which is harder and more wear resistant with hardness of 58.5 to 60 HRC. We made a portable and foldable handle design before and got many positive comments. It's easier to carry and store. A well-known coffee critic said every grinder should have such a handle, so we decided to use the sample structure on the X. The small structure requires high precision machining. I'm sure you will like it. Most of hand grinders have point-to-point adjustment. For some coffee lovers, limited clicks often fail to meet their need for more precise coarseness, while non-pore adjustment tends to slide the dial. Therefore, we designed a secondary adjustment, a small dial, and parts so delicate that you'd think it come from a Swiss watch. You can set directly to the number you want and fine-tune on a smaller dial. There are 24 clicks and you can adjust each click for another 5 secondary clicks. It means total of 120 clicks for very specific grinding. To make it easier to hold, we designed the outside square-shaped and round inside of the body. The entire body was cut by a whole piece of aluminum alloy by CNC. The accuracy error is controlled below 0.03 mm, which makes the machine have a very high coaxial degree. A click can be heard when the square base and body rotate and connect perfectly. The whole grinder is all made of metal. The stainless steel burrs, the shaft, and the bearings will give you a precise and smooth feeling. The top knob of the handle is also made of metal and you can rotate it smoothly for tens of seconds. A high-class logo in copper completes the luxury feel. We want to pool our years of experience in design and manufacturing of hand grinders to produce the ultimate tool for professionals. You won't regret supporting us on this project and will be amazed by the result.